Alright, just for your information here so you don't make the same mistake I did. Or could have made, I'm not sure. I think it went in okay. Mark over at Ford Truck Enthusiast been kind of giving me some pointers on this. Thinks I put it in correctly, so we'll find out, you know. Here's the new torque converter. Looks good to me, but what do I know? You know, I'm a plumber. But this has a couple flat spots on here, and I hear this lines up with the pump. On the inside, you got two sets of splines on the inside. And right here on the transmission, you got two sets of splines and a seal. So you got one set of splines, two set of splines, like an inner and an outer. And then you got these flat spots that line up with the pump. And all this is supposed to line up, you know. This has to go on. And you gotta wiggle around. There it goes. See? Oh, that sounds like it. So, that's originally how I put it in. Move along to the first part of this assembly here is removing the pump. And since I don't have the pump tool, cooler tool, or slide hammer tool, or anything like that, what I'm going to do, this is the way I did it the other time, I just put some bolts in there. I got some bolts, some threads in there. Some bolts in there, some washers, wrap a chain around here. Got my little bottle jack. This is actually the Bronco jack. And we'll do it like that, you know. Just put some tension on there. Should pull that pump out. There you go.
Stab a sorry heart with your favorite finger. Paint the whole world blue and stop your tears from stinging. Hear the caveman singing. Good news they're bringing.
Well, the output shaft on the transmission now turns backwards and forwards, which is a good sign, so it's somewhere in here, yeah. Blow my brains out here. Okay. So, I think, therefore I am. Yeah. I think it's in this piece. Let's see if we can turn this over here. Let's see what's over here. Is that right? That's right. See this piece right here? This only turns one way. But according to the book, install so that the race, this is the race, I hope, outer race, turns counterclockwise. Isn't that counterclockwise? That way. From right here, it's clockwise. Counterclockwise. Counterclockwise. It's turning. It's turning, but I'm having to use a little leverage. Is that the way it's supposed to be? At least it's turning. I think I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of it back together, and that's what it is, you know. See what happens. Yeah, I think I'll go ahead and button this up and I don't know what else to say. Don't know, guys. We'll just have to see what happens. If it don't work, it don't work. Anybody want a Bronco? Okay, now I can put these in, and I'm not fighting everything. So it should go like that. And it should go like that. And it should go like that. This is my theory anyway. Hopefully it works. Not the way the book shows it. Rat bastards. That goes on there. And then the ring gear goes, then the snap ring goes on. Fuck. Yeah. Now, everything should bolt up just right. Now I gotta do it all over again. Don't grab it by this.